Welcome. If you love discovering new ways to boost productivity and creativity, you're in the right place. Here we break down AI tools that save time, simplify tasks, and help you build smarter habits, all explained in a clear and beginner-friendly way.
Bro, I just found an AI design tool that feels like someone mashed Midjourney plus Canva plus a vector design app into one clean platform. And the craziest part? It's not just generating images. It can generate mock-ups, remove backgrounds, upscale, vectorize, and even lets you use custom styles. This is Recraft Studio, and if you do design, content, thumbnails, or branding, you need to see this. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're checking out a tool called Recraft AI, and this is basically an AI visual generator that's built specifically for creators. And when I say visual, I mean literally everything: images, vectors, icons, mockups, product photos, and even upscaling. So let's jump inside and I'll show you what makes this different. So when you land on Recraft's website, the first thing you see is this huge statement: generate any visual with AI in Recraft Studio. And honestly, they're not exaggerating. This isn't just a type prompt get picture AI tool. Recraft is more like a full AI design workspace where you can generate visuals from scratch, edit them, export them, and even control style consistency. So instead of jumping between multiple apps, everything is built inside one place. And that's why they literally call it every AI design tool in one place. Now, here's the real problem this tool solves. Most AI image tools are fun, but they're not practical for creators. Because usually you generate something cool, then you still need to remove background somewhere else, upscale it somewhere else, make mockups somewhere else, vectorize it somewhere else, so your workflow becomes messy. Recraft fixes that by making the AI output feel ready for real projects, not just random AI art. Now on the homepage, they show the main features in these cards, and this is where Recraft starts looking serious: upscale. So there's an upscale tool, and this is for when you generate an image but it's too low resolution. Recraft can upscale it so it looks cleaner and sharper. Vectorize. Then there's vectorize, which is honestly super useful if you're doing logos or icon design, because turning an image into a clean vector normally takes time, but here it's built in. Generate AI mockup. This one is crazy because it means you can generate mockups directly instead of downloading templates. So if you're a brand designer or product designer, this is a huge workflow upgrade. Remove and replace backgrounds. Classic feature, but it's essential. You can remove background and replace it with something else instantly. Generate illustration set or photo shoot. This is one of the coolest ones. Basically, you can create a full set of visuals in a consistent theme, like you're generating a mini brand library, in paint and out paint. And of course, they also have in painting and out painting, meaning you can edit specific parts of an image or expand the canvas. So yeah, it's not just generate, it's generate and control. Now they also promote something called Recraft V3, and they call it top ranked and built in-house. And they highlight three main things: photorealism you can trust, meaning the model is designed to generate realistic images without looking weird. Styles on brand across every asset. This is super important because most AI tools struggle with consistency. Recraft is basically pushing the idea that you can keep a style consistent across multiple images. Accurate text generation. Now, if you've used AI image tools before, you know text is usually the biggest weakness. But Recraft claims it generates text with precision, which is honestly a big deal for poster design, ads, thumbnails, and branding visuals. Now, once you enter the actual workspace, the UI looks clean. You get a big canvas in the middle, and on the left you have your tool panel. Then at the bottom, there's the prompt box where you can type what you want to generate. And I like how simple it is. You can choose model, style, ratio, count, so it feels like it's built for speed. And then there's also a full style library section where you can browse different looks like photorealism, illustration, vector art, icons, graphic design, even logo styles. This part is honestly addicting because it feels like scrolling presets in a creative marketplace. You can literally pick a style and apply it instantly. Alright, now let's talk pricing, because this part matters. Recraft gives you three plans: free, pro, and teams. The free plan is $0, and it's honestly solid if you just want to test the platform. You get 30 credits renewed daily, basic AI editing tools, and access to the style library. The main downside is your images are public, and there's no commercial use. Then you've got the Pro plan starting at $10 per month if billed annually, This is clearly the best option for serious creators. You get 1,000 credits monthly, private generations, commercial license while subscribed, more images per generation, faster parallel generations, plus extra tools like 4K upscaling, prompt extraction, and even access to external models like Flux and GPT Image. And lastly, there's the Teams plan, which is $55 per month per seat billed annually. This one is aimed at businesses with a shared workspace, centralized management, and way more monthly credits. So, yeah, free is great for trying it out, but if you actually want to use Recraft consistently, the Pro plan is where it starts making sense. So, overall, Recraft feels like one of the most complete AI design tools I've seen. It's not just an AI generator, it's an actual workflow platform for people who want to create visuals fast. If you're a designer, editor, content creator, or you make thumbnails and branding, this tool is definitely worth testing. If you want, I'll drop the link in the description. And yeah, if you enjoyed this review, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Would you actually use Recraft for your content or branding? Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.